Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a demo account right here on Mitrade. And to be honest, it's quite simple because right now you see here on Mitrade.eu, you can also use right there the .com. But right now we are here on this page, and if you scroll with our mouse, you will find at the second tab right here, try free demo. So click there on try free demo, and then you need to sign up with your email. So I sign up right here with my email address, click here on sign up, create yourselves a password, and then after that he will send us right here to the demo trade platform. And now if you go right here to trade, you will find right here the chart, and in the top you will find right here your balance. So now we can start demo trading, and this is exactly how you can create a demo account right here on Mitrade. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.